Hey guys, my name is Justin and welcome again to Brain on Fire. Today we're going to go through a quick tutorial regarding Claude AI, specifically using a very important part of Claude AI called skills. We're going to go through a quick tutorial showing you both A, how to build a skill, and B, how to use a skill to do something really cool and probably really important for your business, making a quote. Now, just a quick recap before we get started. What exactly are skills? Well, skills in a nutshell are basically a way for the Claude LLM to expand its own, capabilities. It allows the Claude LLM to interact with many applications almost seamlessly. So without further ado, guys, let's get started.
Hey everyone. All right, we're going to review possibly the most important aspect of using Claude Code or Claude AI, uh, actually using skills. With skills, you can really customize the output of Claude to fit your specifications. And this gets around the problems of, short-term memory or short-term context issues you may encounter while using the LLM. Okay, so now the first thing we want to do is we want to go to, settings, um, and then from settings go to capabilities. I'm looking for the under the section that says code execution and file creation. See this radio button here? We want to make sure that's on the on position because without the that radio button being on, uh, all the skills for Claude will absolutely not work. So remember that. That's very important. And from here, we can, go to customize. And again, on Claude AI, that's easy enough, customize. But also on the Claude desktop, customize is right here on the left panel. But once we're in customize, you can click on skills. And here, as you see, the first skill mentioned is the skills creator, which which is gonna be the bulk of the video. But I just want to point something out. You see this plus button says add skill. From here, you can browse a bunch of skills that come from Anthropic and their partners. Now, it's important. These skills are vetted skills, skills that, you know, don't have many security issues. You can also go to plugins. A lot of these are skills from Anthropic, but they can be from other people as well. The only issues with the skills not from Anthropic is that they haven't really been vetted for, security issues. For right now, let's go back to the skill creator. Now, with the skills creator, let's understand this is the way you create a skill specifically for your business. All right. So as you can see, it says create new skills, modify, and improve existing skills. You want to make sure, again, this radio tab button is enabled. This activates the skill. And from here, and from there, we go directly to the chat prompt and we simply type in, please create for me a skill using skill creator that can help me generate quotes. And just to speed up time, what I suggest you do is, attach any files that would help Claude create this skill using the skill creator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach for my business an example of a typical quotation I sent to a client, an Excel sheet, showing the process of making the quotation, and a basic list of prices that are used in the quotation itself. I think that should be enough for Claude to get an idea of where I'm going with this. Waiting for that to attach. Okay, you can see Claude's reading the skill.creator.md. And now it's going to ask me basically a series of questions when it's done reviewing all the documents. All right, and once you're done answering all the questions, you're actually going to get a file at the end. Claude will provide you with a .skill file. And what you're going to do is download this file. And once you do, we're going to go right back to the Customize tab, Skill section again, that plus button. And this time we're going to go to Create Skill and Upload a Skill. All right, the same skill we downloaded, we're going to put right back into this drop box here. Right, and there you have it. I now have a quote from my cosmetic.quote skill. Click on it, make sure it's enabled, and now we can go right back to a new chat. And now I can invoke my cosmetic quote skill anytime I want based on the necessary inputs. All right, guys, that was the end of this demonstration. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you feel so inclined to do so. Until next time, this has been Brain on Fire, and see you later.